Okay, so here we have the Nebular Theory by Brutney, Javier, Zarahi, and Jordan. The nebular theory is a theory on how the solar system was created. Most people think that a cloud of gas began to contract and spin, becoming flatter, making it out into our solar system. It is also thought that the planets all rotate in the same direction and that they all orbit within 6 degrees of a common plane. We also have the Big Bang Theory, which is the idea that the origin of the universe came from an expansion of matter that contained a high temperature density. It is also thought that it was formed from a cloud of space dust and gas. The discovery of cosmic microwave background radiation in 1965 made the Big Bang Theory the best theory of the origin and evolution of the universe. Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson discovered the cosmic microwave. And according to the Big Bang Theory, the solar system was formed from a cloud of space dust and gas that was squeezed by an explosion. We also have the planetesimal theory, which is a theory that a star came close to the sun and created gases and high tides everywhere. The remaining matter started to orbit the sun, which we would consider to be our solar system, or all the planets in our solar system. And when it began to cool, the planetesimals grew. Big chunks attracted to other chunks, and the solar system started to form. Our claim is that the nebular theory is the most realistic situation, because the Milky Way is made up of gases that began to contract and spin, becoming flat, the way the rocks clumped up together, forming the round planet we live on today, and also forming every other planet out there too. Because of knowledge that we have outside of our research, we have come to the conclusion that the nebular theory makes the most sense and it matches up to what we know about our solar system today.